It's a story time, yeah. Angifuni ngisho ukumosha isikhathi sakho nge-intro today ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthanda izindaba and you are dying to know ukuthi wafika uMlisa e-Durban Station and then what happened. Mina ngicuthile lapha emva kwalela abazi i-Durban Station bayawazi amahhotela ajwayele ukuba nje right next to ama-stations. NaseGoli likhona, ngeke ngilisho ngegama. Hawu, abakhokhanga phela. So-ke I'm not gonna waste time ngiloke ngifaka ama-intro ngoba wena ngiyazi ukuthi uthanda iy'ndaba and ufuna hey! Ngoba Jehova, yeah, ufuna ukuzwa indaba. UMlisa kudilikile, uhleli laphaya emabhentshini outside, uyambona ukuthi indlela strategically when you want to sit in a place where like, yabo? Forgive me, my eyes, it's cold today and it's a bit windy and amehlo ayakhala when it's cold and windy because nginama-sinuses nje amakhulu ane-nonsense. So yeah, uMlisa uhleli lapho umane eqalaza Nkosi yami umuntu abantu umane eqalaza. Uyazi I'm reading ukuba kuthiwa wayesendlini ngangizothi I'm reading the room but I'm just checking i-coast and engqondweni yami ngiyacabanga ngiyathatha ngiyabeka ngiyacabanga ngiyathatha ngiyabeka. Ngimile lapha eduze kwase-Bani Hotel le lapha ngase-station across ngimbukile ngithulile. Remember ngithe kuwena I am somebody who falls in love with talent. I'm somebody who falls in love with intellectuals. I'm somebody who falls in love with people who gives good conversations. So that is what attracted me kuMlisa to begin with. And vele ama-pictures wona ayingancumisi noko. Ayingancumisi because remember ukuthi abangani bami bathini mangabe ngiwasendela isithombe. Khumbula, yabona, in a group of ladies, there is always that one friend who is a straight talker, who tells it like it is. God, at that time when I sent that picture, I remember Uchi was like, hawu kodwa mngani, hhayi-ke yena ngazi ukuthi akasiyena i-type yakho. This is somebody who knows my ex-husband. And he's just comparing this guy with just my ex-husband. He's like, hayi kodwa mngani akasiyena i-type yakho lo. And I was shocked because uGugu was one person wayevela adilike nje mengabe kukhulunywa something avele adilike nje ayisho into njengoba injalo whether iqiniso limuncu liyababa uJiyo wayevela ayisho nje njengoba sasesimjwayele. But that time when I posted i-picture kaMlisa, that's what she said. Hayi ngathi anginandaba mina okusala ekugcineni kosuku ngi-happy. Okay. UMlisa uhleli lapha emabhentshini uyaqalaza. Kuthe sekuphele about 15 to 20 minutes ehleli ngabona sekudonsa ifoni uthi useyacabanga and lapho yabo uma udonsa ifoni you are also trying to be vigilant of what is happening around you because you don't want to miss any action because phela ulindele ukuhlangatshezwa ulindele ukulandwa udali wakhe kade niloke nifonelana nisendelana ama-pictures kumnandi. And let me tell you something guys, the conversation with this guy was great. This is somebody who will make my day. This is somebody who will make me sleep well at night. I don't know whether it was loneliness or whether it was desperation. Ukuthi I've been through it all, divorce and everything, and now this was the time for me. I was thinking this was the time for me ukuthi ngimove on, and I was desperate to have umuntu or fulfill my wishes. I don't know ukuthi kwakuyikona kuphi between the three. Kodwa I can tell you and I can attest ukuthi at that time I remember I was working for IIE. And angifuni ukulisho igama le-institution ebengikuyona because angisho those who know i-location education setup ukuthi u-IIE has got different schools under it. Has got different brands under it. So I was working for this brand eseThekwini and I had just started kuleyo brand because it was a time, okay, let me do not mix up stories, it's fine. Kodwa I had just started kuleyo brand leyo and let me tell you one thing about that brand ukuthi umuntu who was heading that brand. Whew. You know, a toxic boss. A toxic boss. Funny enough, that woman liked me. She liked me because, let me do not mix stories. But I know she liked me. Even my colleagues would even say, umenzani, because somehow she just softens up. Once when even in a meeting, she just softens up and she suddenly so at that time, you know, when you're working in an environment where you wake up, you go to work in the morning, you know ukuthi, you are not anywhere near the firing line, but you know for sure ukuthi that week or that particular day there's gonna be somebody who's gonna be on the firing line, because already umuntu wakhona waye-predictable, wayekwazi ukunikeza ama-signs ukuthi lo akamfuni, and she had a way to show it somehow. So the environment was toxic. The only thing that was keeping me sane in that environment was my students, because I love my students. You know, your students become your pride and joy, and they become just like your babies that brings a smile in your face. So the only thing that I was focusing on was my student. So the environment was toxic, and this guy had a way just to make my day, had a way just to make me forget ukuthi kambe ngiyavuka ngemsebenzini. The moment afona, we had this rule ukuthi siyavusana ekuseni. If avuka kuqala ngiyamfonela ngo-5, if mina ngivuka kuqala. So it was like that thing nje, and that call would not last long. It would be like 1 minute, 2 minutes call, but I knew ukuthi once I get to work and I have received that call, my day is made. And when I get home and he asked me, how was your day? I knew ukuthi no matter what had broken me or what had pissed me off at work for the particular day, make wayibuza, I would know ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngawo. And he had a way of making me, you know, forget about my day. So ngiyambona ubrothers nkosami, and yazi the moment ngibukile lapha ngime kulela khona le ngime kulona, ngiyambona uyaqala, hawe maha akasemubi, yabona ke manje sengimbona live, ngimbona bukhoma 99 ngamehlo ngalawa wenyama. Ngaze ngiyakhumbula, ngaze ngamfakela ngisho izibuko, ngathi ake ngiyibuye kahle ke manje ke le chimpanzee engilethe into my life. Wamubi umuntu wesilisa, guys. I've never seen such ugliness, but I've never seen such ugliness ehambisana with a good heart. Uyamazi umuntu omubi onenhliziyo enhle, hayi ukuthi unenhliziyo enhle, because remember we've been talking for like, I think for like 2 months, 2 to 3 months before we actually met. Yo, guys. And then by the time nje qala ethi phakamisa ifoni ethi uyangifonela, ngamthepha ehlombe. Oh Shem, waphenduka bandla umuntu wami. Ngathi hi. Oh Shem, wangihaga. Oh, he used to call me, you know, my besinokugconana-ke ngamagama wesingisi, you know i-generation yama-80s inegama lesintu negama lesingisi. So those who are from the 80s know what I'm talking about. So he used to call me because my English name is Innocentia. My Christian, we used to call, back in the day, kwakubizwa nge-Christian name, ukuthi Christian name is your English name. So he used to call me and I was like, how, hi. Oh Shem, with such a calm, polite voice. Oh, wangihaka-ke. Hey, the walk to my car was the longest walk I've ever taken in my lifetime. Uke wabona uhambe nomuntu, you're just walking from one point to another point. That is less than 20 meters. We are just walking from where he was sitting to my car so that we can get into the car and get to where he had booked. I felt like all eyes were on me ukuthi lo sisi le nona ehamba nalo sisi, le nona ehamba nalo sisi. Wemaye Nkosi yami, abantu ababi baney'nhliziyo ezinhle, guys. I don't wanna lie to you. I survived that walk of fame. Sawalka safika-ke, and then-ke siyaplana-ke endleleni-ke ukuthi-ke udinga ini, asho udinga iwayini, udinga this, udinga that. The place that he had booked was a self-catering, and he was so excited ukuthi he was actually going to cook for me. I love men who can spoil me, because angikhuthele kangako Shem, ngiyakuthanda-ke nokuspoilisha, angikhuthele kangako. Hayi sihambe-ke sifike-ke endlini. Friday, day one, saxoxa nje kwaze kwacishe sasixoxa. We are just sipping a glass of wine. UGuy is a gentleman. UGuy is sweet. UGuy is a family man. Ayikho-ke enye into-ke mina-ke ngiyithanda njengomuntu wesilisa who loves family. Ngivele ngibone kahle ukuthi kusho ukuthi if I can be in your life or if I will be in your life, I will be as important because ngiyakuthanda mina ukwenziwa ngifeel special because remember, it's a birth order. Ngiyonixoxela ngelinye ilanga indaba yama-birth. It's a birth order. Abantu abama-last borns, I'm the last born at home. Abantu abama-last born bayathanda ukuthola i-affirmation all the time because of the birth order. You grew up amongst the family. Kuhleze kuthiwa ingane, hayi into yengane, hayi yekani ingane. So ngikuleso simo-ke. So umuntu ongidodosayo, it doesn't matter ukuthi wenza ini. You don't have to spend dollars on me. Just, okuncane kuyangenelisa very fast because I'm spoiled as a last born. I'm used ukutatazelelwa ukuthi wonke umuntu abe ne-care enough ukuthi yingane, into yengane, yekela ingane, about the type of thing. So-ke sithenge-ke une-menu yakhe ku-Brothers-ke for the whole weekend. Sihleli laphaya ukuthi i-menu yakhe izothi ithi, i-breakfast izothi ithi. Uyathenga-ke, ngiyahamba-ke la eduze kwakhe-ke, uyacosha, uyabuza nami ukuthi ngithanda ini. Kwakona lokho kuyangichaza Nkosi yami, sekuyangichaza yazi. Uyeke nje ukuthi umubiza wami-ke Nkosi, sengiyachazeka ukuthi hawu Nkosi yami, he's caring. Nani. Sixabane-ke, mina ngiyayithanda inyama. Sixabane mese siya ngasemafrijini enyama. Umuntu ngimbona ubamba, uyabona lama braai pack pieces othola kuyi-tray, uthole kune-thigh, kune-wing, kune-drumstick, like 4 or 6 pieces inside. I'm like looking at him like, dude, are you serious? This is the whole weekend and uthatha i-pack enama-pieces ayi-6 wena, the whole weekend. Or perhaps, because phela sengiyabona la already ebhaskidini ngiyayibona ilokhunjana, ivorsi ikhona, inyama ebovisi ikhona. So i-chicken, you are just taking. I was like, sixabana lapho-ke manje, hayi ngeke. Ngiyayithanda mina inyama. Angiyibali futhi ukuthi ngidla kangakanani ngosuku. Ngathi ngicela uthathe full chicken, futhi ithatha u-2. Kunama-braai stands la ekhona, thatha ayi-2. Ngamshintshisa naloko kusebhaskidini, futhi naleya nyama le esema-tray ngicela uyiyeke. Sihambe siye laphaya e-butcher section ufike ukhethe inyama yangempela. Akuyona inyama nje oyithathile. Kodwa-ke shem wangakuthathi serious-ke, sayihleka-ke leyo ukuthi ngiyikoza, kodwa wayesekazi vele because remember besilokhu sikhuluma. Safika-ke endlini guys. Remember udadewenu obela, futhi nje ever since I had started talking to him, ngase ngiphumile la. So, i-Cerebos. Izinika amandla and ngi-ready. Ubhontshisi uthi, get ready ntombazana. Kodwa-ke, phela ngifuna ukubamba isimilo, angeke nje umuntu wesilisa ngiqala ukumbona sengiyagxuma regardless ukuthi-ke phela besiwenza-ke yabona lawo ama-phone sex nyana akhathele yabo. Hayi silale-ke day one. Saxoxa nje kwaze kwacishe kwasa day one. We are getting to know each other, right? Akusafani nasefonini-ke, siyaxoxa-ke siphuza iwayini. We're even playing games because I remember I said to you, it's somebody who's in the intellectual, and he was also working at a university like me. So he had even brought some games in Lamau, 30 seconds. We are playing kumnandi, nama-snacks, we are playing kumnandi. Siya-connecta nje kamnandi. Friday salala nje sangenza lutho. We hugged, good night, salala nje yabo. Mona lo tips nyana yewayi salala. The following day, we wake up, he makes breakfast. Oh, Nkosi yami, akasatatazeli, angisachazekile. I'm woken up with a breakfast in bed. Guy, uvuke kuqala kunami, angazi kanjalo phela sobabili sasikade silale sizithintela iwayini nje. Uvuke kuqala kunami, kodwa he managed to wake up and make breakfast for me. Ngivuswa nge-breakfast, he's a cup of tea. So he even knew what type of teas I drink. So he had bought them the day before ngesikhathi esithenga-ke ngoba angisho phela, remember we've been talking on the phone. Siswini. Okay, so he wakes me up with a breakfast in bed, and then after that we start our day. We go. So he wanted to see Durban. He has been to Durban, but there were some places that he wanted to see. So he tells me, please take me to Chaga Marine, take me to this place, take me to that. We're going to have lunch where, and then we'll have a small and a prime damba mama sfigala. Okay. So we wake up, we go to Shaka Marine. Obviously, Shaka Marine, those of you who know, it's a wet and wild place. So we're wearing our costumes and everything. You are playing at the Shaka Marine. Kumnandi, guys, kumnandi. We are running around. People are looking at me. I remember there are these two guys who passed us. They just look at me. The second guy looked at me and then he smiled. And when they just passed, and the other guy was like, I am sure Uguti, it's money. It can only be money. I was like, gosh. Kanti why? Yabona, we actually a law of attraction. If something you are expecting it, it's gonna happen. Exactly the same way you expected it. So this guy, yes, bakhuluma ngathi ukuthi they think ukuthi I am with this guy because unemali, because there's no way I can be with such an ugly guy. Hayi, kodwa ke anginandaba ngoba ngizinikelile mos ukuthi hayi sengila, what else can I do? Now usaturday second day sesibuyele endlini-ke senze ibrayinyana young brayinyana izolo sikhulume kwaza kwacishe kwasa and today supposedly it's the day where we really have to get to know each other, you know, sexual wise. And then he says he just wants to make sure that I get ready and blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm fine with that. I can wait. I'm not a virgin, but I can wait. Hey guys, futhi mina kade ngangibona kade ngangibona ngathi uyabona-ke namhlanje I'm gonna be very smart. Angeke ngize nje ngi-indulge that much on wine. There are things engifuna ukuzibona. Kuthe mengabe sekuntambama sesizoya kogeza sesiqeda ukudla and everything, I offered ukuthi I wanna brush your back when we were bathing. He refused. Okay, fine. He went to the bathroom, and when he gets to the bathroom, I was like, I definitely want to see something. Guys, mangilunguza ayikho. Ayikho. Yazi mengi ayikho. Yabo ngikhuluma ngento engekho. Guys, ayikho into yomuntu wesilisa. I could not hold myself. Iphi uyisho ngisephi? Iphi? I want to know ukuthi where it is. Iphi? Tell me iphi. Yo, the guy was like, why are you peeping? I needed some privacy. I'm bathing here, and when you are peeping and now you're barging in, you're screaming, EP. What are you talking about? And he started getting angry. Why are you doing this? You're acting childish and everything. And I'm like, okusalayo uzongitshela ukuthi iphi ngoba ngibonile ukuthi ayikho. Okusalayo uzongitshela nje ukuthi I wanna know ukuthi iphi. Iphi vele bongafuni nokuthi noma sidlalisana lapha bongafuni isandla sisondele lapha kandawo. I wanna know ukuthi iphi uyisho nisephi iphi. Wasuka umsindo hayi-ke avele acishe aphume ebedroom athathe ithawula asule and everything athi come let's sit down and talk, I need to tell you something. Hey guys, you know, aqale kasixoxe story. I have been sick for the past 5 years. I haven't been in a relationship. I have had cancer, and i-cancer yakhona yakhoza angazi ukuthi yini eyayinjani ezinsweni kwakufanele kusikwe, and then uma kusikwa kwasikwa. No, not cancer. He had inkinga yezinso. Izinso zakhe zoyi-2 they just failed, and mazifeyila kwakhosta ukuthi kufanele bamsike. Uma bemsika i-operation yakhona iyademija izinto eziningi to a level that iyademija kwaze kwakhosta ukuthi ngesikhathi bemsika angazi kwasikeka ini nesende elinye eli-1 lanqanyulwa, netoto nayo yadamejeka. Yo, into ezenzeka ka-public hospital. Into ezenzeka ka-public hospital guys, loya muntu wayenenkebenkebe yomthungo eyayinkulu idlula ngisho umthungo womuntu yabona le nhlobo yemithungo yakudala yango-1970 umuntu wayebeqezwa kubeqezwe kusuke from one side to another side makukhishwa ingane. Abanye babe nemithungo engaphansi oma bethu babeba nemithungo iqala ngaphansi kwebele ishona phansi mabisi. Yabona la mithungo yakudala eyayisabeka. Wayenomthungo onjalo, wayenomthungo enjalo ewu-2. Owodwa wawu-horizontal, owodwa umunye uqala ezansi kwenkaba nje uthi. Yo guys, uyayichaza lento ukuthi as a result he can no longer have children. As a result, ubuntu bakhe nje budemejekile to a point ukuthi buyavuka, kodwa ukuvuka kwabo abunamandla a-enough, abunamandla a-enough okufana nobabanye abantu besilisa. That is why he made sure ukuthi no matter what happens in this weekend, he makes me understand first ukuthi what he has been through, what's going on in his life, the medical treatment that he is taking, and why he cannot just be intimate with a woman on the word go. First, he needs to explain. And more guy, awukho size we-condom. Angihleki guys. Awukho usize we-condom omlinganayo. I remember ukuthi by the time kufikelela isikhathi ukuthi sithi asizame, I think I was so much in shock such that we only tried. Mhlambe 4 months later, we continued talking. He left. We continued talking, and he never visited again, and I never opted to visit as well. By the time we agreed, let's try. Yeah. Ngicabanga ukuthi sathenga about 5 brands of condoms. Awukho usize we-condom owawumlingana. Hey guys, kwakunzima. Kwakunzima. Let me just say nje ubuntu bakhe babu-damaged. Babu-damaged to a point that ukuthi wayengakwazi ngisho ukufenda. Yabo ukufenda lokho kokufenda wayengakwazi because le operation yanqamula imithambo le engaphansi kwesisu. Yayinqamula yaba mfushane leyo mthambo leyo, and leyo mthambo iyona ekhoza i-flexology ukuthi isinqe sakho, iqolo lakho likwazi ukuthi limuve like this. So yena bengakwazi ukufenda. So the only way uma ngabe uzolala naye ukuthi nibe intimate is ukuthi wenze i-woman on top. But now a woman on top. So yeah, that was my story of ngaqoma ku-Facebook. I know you are dying to know, did that relationship continue? It did continue because apart from many things that were happening, he was an intellectual. He was able to make me smile. He was a nice guy. He was very sweet. He was very caring. He was somebody who could tell if umoya wami uguqukile on that particular day and I'm pissed off, and he had just a way to calm me down in every situation. And he didn't have money or a lot of money. He was just a 9 to 5, just like me, working in an institution of higher learning, just like me. We understood each other. We were both researchers. We were both intellectuals. We were both academics. We're loving similar things, especially when it comes to music. There's nothing that is important to me like a guy that understands the music that I love, because it's nice to enjoy music othandayo with umuntu wakho, and naye enjoy that particular similar kind of music, and he was into the same kind of vibey events that I also loved. You can see me, even though you don't know me in person, but you can already see from the loudness that I am. I'm a loud person. I'm a bold, loud person sidalo. Ngeke nje uzungithone down ukuthi ukhulumela phansi. Angikwazi ngisho ukuhleba mina. As a result, abangani bami they know ukuthi awukwazi ukuhleba uma unozandile, ngoba uzandile indaba uyisho iqhume phezulu ngalesikhathi benisini. Angikwazi ngisho ukuhleba, ngidalwe nginomsindo nje kanje. Kodwa yet I'm a shy person somehow. Ngiyokuxoxela istory ukuthi how kuhlangana kanjani ukuthi ngithi I'm a shy person, kodwa at the same time I'm an academic, a work that requires you ukuthi uhambe uyopresenta amaphepha, ume phambi kwama-students ukhulume, ngibe la phambi kwenu ngikhulume. I'll tell you ukuthi how did it came about ukuthi, well, life. So yeah, that relationship continued for about 9 months. Kambe saba ngani noMlisa? Angisakhumbuli ukuthi saba ngani, But yeah, it continued. Saba ngama-insecurities wakhe. Yabo uma ngabe kuthiwa alikho isoko elingenasici, kusho ukuthi wayezazi ukuthi unesici in a way. So he was constantly, whenever he says he wants to come, he will always expect him to say, okay, come. Anga expect phela there are other things that I'm doing. So immediately when I say don't come, kusho ukuthi yena he automatically thinks that there's somebody else who's satisfying my sexual hunger, which is something yena he's unable to do. We tried to share toys and everything. We tried. I tried because I had to be the one who's trying now. Because what do you try when ubuntu bakho bu damaged already? What do you try when you cannot even fender? So yeah. So mina ngagqoma ku-Facebook. Don't judge me. Ngagqoma and ngaziqomela nje umuntu ophilayo. Inkinga nje ukuthi wayengaphili physically kodwa wayephila emoyeni. I loved umoya wakhe. And yeah, bakhona abantu aba-right online. Remember, at the end of the day, the bantu esihlangana nabo online is still people, regardless of ubulwane omunye angakujikela abenze in the end. Kodwa okusalayo, it doesn't, akusho ukuthi fanele sirule out ukuthi bonke abantu esihlangana nabo online ba-wrong ngoba nabo basasabantu. Well, bakhona abasuke bengene vele ngey'nhloso ezimbi. Ngeke-ke sikwenze lutho, ngeke sikubalekele ngoba ekugcineni kosuku ngisho umuntu ohlangane naye e-mall, e-Shoprite nisequeuini wakushela, akusho ukuthi is better than umuntu ozohlangana naye ku-TikTok noma ku-Facebook noma ku-Instagram. Naye usewumuntu osengenza amaphutha akhe, naye futhi kusengenza ukuthi abe nezinto, abe ney'nhloso zakhe abade ey'hlosile ukuthi ngizophuma ngendaweni public space ngiyoshela umuntu wesifazane, and inhloso yami uma ngabe ngishayela lo muntu wesifazane ngizokwenza u-1 no 2 no 3. So let us not judge abantu ngezinto nezimo abandlule kuzona, sibajaje because baqoma ku-Facebook. I see people are commenting there kwi-post kaSamia. I also followed ama-comments aka-TikTok. Abantu bayakujaja, niqoma kakhulu, uyabonakala nje ukuthi uvuma kanjani into enjena. Let us not judge. You'll never know ukuthi sasa likuphatheleni yini ngelinye ilanga oyolala uvuke uthuke uzithela phekwayo and ungabi nawo reverse, because you'll be seeing the circumstances at that time ukuthi yabona le simo engibhekene naso njengamanje, the only thing ezongisiza ukuthi ngiphume kusona ngiphila ukuthi ngivele nje ngibe nje into yes sir ukuze ngiphume ngiphila. So that's how my story ends off, ukuthi ngaqoma kanjani, ukuthi ngaqoma nami ku-Facebook. So I beg you, if you have a story to share, it can be an entertaining story, it can be a sad story, it can be a story esikhulisayo, esikhuthazayo, esiphilisayo, esigqugquzelayo. Please, if kuwukuthi uyasaba ukuza kumina e-studio sizosikhuluma lesi story, I am based in Durban but I also do shoot in Johannesburg. If kuwukuthi uyasaba ukusikhuluma lesi story, DM me. My DMs are open on Facebook. My DMs are open on TikTok. DM me. Let us talk about your story. Kanti-ke if unqena futhi uku DM, you can also send a voice note. If you follow me, you know my number. You know how to find me. Let us have this conversation. Ake sikhulume ngalezi zindaba because khona umuntu esizomsiza, khona umuntu esizomkhuthaza, khona umuntu esizomluleka, khona umuntu esizompholisa more than anything. And ukhona umuntu who have judged, okusezihlulelile kaninginingi ngento ayenza, azibone ngazukuthi uwumuntu omubi, kanti cha, kwakuyisimo esasimphoqa at that particular point in time ukuthi azithole esesenza. So I beg, let us not judge. Let us learn from one another, because anything might happen. Umhlaba mncane. Abantu bagangile. Abantu banethonya. I don't know what is thonya in English to make people understand it. Abantu banethonya. Kunomuntu othi mawuhlangane naye nje because of izinto azisebenzisayo uvume yonke into ayishoyo. Akusho ukuthi ngaloko uyisilima. But isimo nawe ohlangabezane naso, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku ikhona into ongathi mawuhlangana nayo kulozo later on kugcine isifundo somunye umuntu, kuyi-education oyiqhubayo ukuthi mina ngake ngehlakalelwa ukuthi uthole ukuthi sekuqwashisa nabanye abantu, because most importantly we're also creating awareness. So please stop judging. Enjoy the podcast, and I have some beautiful episodes coming up that aligns to Mother's Day. Stay tuned. Bekumnandi this weekend. Sishuthela Mother's Day and with Unblemished Beauty. So if you've got a business that you need to advertise as well, holla me. 071 941 9417 071 941 9417. Let us get this community bigger and better. I love you.